discussions.
I hear people having discussions.
And I hear people having disagreements.
And I hear people having disagreements.
Can we agree on one thing?
Can we agree on one thing?
That we don't like corruption.
That we don't like corruption.
We don't like being lied to.
We don't like being lied to.
We don't like being stolen from.
We don't like being stolen from.
We want that to stop, and how it happens, we don't know, but it's gonna fucking stop!
It's gonna fucking stop! Yeah!
Mic check.
Mic check.
You'll have to forgive me
You'll have to forgive me
because I'm not very good at speaking in public.
because I'm not very good at speaking in public.
I've spent the last decade corralled in free speech zones
Surrounded with free speech zones
and dealing with a government
and dealing with the government
that thinks my First Amendment rights are a suggestion.
that thinks my First Amendment rights are a suggestion.
I see here gathered
I see here gathered
a diversity of opinion.
a diversity of opinion.
I think it's awesome.
I think it's awesome.
I don't agree with a lot of people
I
here,
don't agree with a lot of people here,
but I sure do agree with your right to speak.
but I sure do agree with your right to speak.
I'm a veteran.
I'm a veteran.
Yeah! I've been a police officer.
I've been a police officer.
Probation officer.
And a probation officer.
I've watched the militarization of the police
I watched the militarization of the police
and the corporatization of the criminal justice system.
and the corporatization of the criminal justice system.
And I'm here to say it has to stop.
And I'm here to say it has to stop.
I'm here to say that we have to reclaim our republic.
We have to reclaim our republic.
And it's going to take him.
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 And it's going to take every single one of us.
And it's going to take every single one of us.
That's it.
We need more men like this that have been in the system and seen the justices that are willing to come and speak in the forum and let us know what's going on beyond our backs. Because if we do not know what's going on beyond our backs, like these FEMA camps that they're setting up, not for terrorists, but for us, we need to wake up and we need to take this back because they are federalizing our police. They are marching us closer and closer to a nightmare scenario worse than China. That is not going to happen in this country. Hell no. And I will.
It cannot happen in this country.
It will happen.